Hey everyone, Harris here with iDownload Blog. A few days ago, iOS 12 Developer Beta 8 came out, and on the iPhone 10, it was about a 350 megabyte file, which was a decent amount smaller than Beta 6. However, because of performance issues, it was quickly taken off of the update portal, so unless you had already downloaded it, you could not get it. Beta 8 is now out for download, and it comes in at a smaller file size, 213.7 megabytes, at least if you had Beta 7 installed before it, and it has a couple minor changes. Now, what's important to note is that the most betas that there have been for an update has been 10, so we are nearing that, which means that we are probably 2 to 3 more betas away, including a Gold Master from the final version of iOS 12. So in continuing in the trend of Beta 6, one of the first things I noticed was a messages splash screen with a few highlights of the app. One of the big things that it says is conversations streamlined, which will mean in theory keeping a single thread of conversations for a contact, no matter whether you use their phone number or their email or whatever contact you use for them. It'll streamline that. I haven't seen it working yet, but I'm sure I will notice it soon if they are advertising it. In Beta 6, we saw that when you're unlocking your device using the passcode, it does not indent or put a shadow on the buttons when you press it, which maybe didn't look as nice, but was a nice little security feature which made it harder to pick up what you are typing in, so it's back with highlighting the buttons that you press. Additionally, Face ID, the smiley face, is back, which I did miss him, so when you're signing into an application using Face ID, the face is back, so that's very similar to the buttons on the lock screen. We have group FaceTime being gone. That will hopefully be back before the final stage because that is a big highlighting feature of iOS 12. And finally, we have a small change to the Measure app. It just looks like a ruler now. It is horizontal instead of vertical with the yellow line in the center of the app. Those are the changes of iOS 12, Beta 7, and 8. Nothing major, but a couple minor tweaks here and there. Group FaceTime is gone, and performance has been fixed from Beta 7, and it is still running pretty stable for the most part on my iPhone 10. If you enjoyed this video or found it useful, a thumbs up on the video lets me know. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more videos just like this.